Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute tiger. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's draw the tiger's face, just like this. Next, we draw her 2 ears. I make half circles like this for each ear, then draw smaller half circles inside. Let's do the same thing for the other ear. Now, I'll add some tiger stripes. First, we draw the stripes on her head. Then we add a few stripes on her cheeks, just like this. Let's give our tiger some big, adorable eyes. I draw a big circle like this ... Then draw smaller circles inside to make them shiny and cute. Let's do the same thing for the other eye. Hey kids, if you're having fun, don't forget to give this video a like so I can make even more fun drawings just for you. Next, I draw her little nose and a cute smiling mouth. Now I draw her chubby cheeks under the eyes. Time to draw her body. First, we draw the front legs, nice and strong ... Then we draw the hind legs, ready to bounce. And don't forget the long wiggly tail at the back. Now I am going to use a black marker to outline everything so our drawing really stands out. Let's start coloring. First, I use brown watercolor to color the tiger's stripes. Do you know what sound a tiger makes? Let's say it together. Roar. Now I color her ears using brown too. Let's add more brown to the stripes on her cheeks and tail. Now it's time for some orange. I use orange to color her face. She's starting to look like a real tiger. Did you know tigers live in the forest? But if you want to see one safely, you can visit the zoo instead. Now I color her body orange too. Then I paint the inside of her mouth pink and add a cream color to the lower parts of her body. Then I paint the inside of her mouth pink and add a cream color to the lower parts of her body. Awesome job! Everyone, you did such a great job drawing and coloring with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more creative adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.